This question asked in GATE 2014. In 1 marks, okay. So let's see what it is saying. Which one of the following is true? Which one of the following is true? So you need to go through the options, okay. So in TOC, maximum questions you can solve from the options, okay. The language L equal to A and Bn and greater than equal to 0 is regular. So as we know that finite automata accepts regular language and finite automata does not have any memory element, okay. So here there is a comparison between A and B. There is a comparison between A and B. So the language generated by option A equal to what? A, B, comma, when we will take n equal to 0, okay, then what? When we will n greater than equal to 0, when we will take 0, then it is what? Epsilon is also there. And what? When we will take 1, AB, then AA, BB, and so on. So clearly we can say that there is a comparison between A and B. So this is not a regular. This is not a regular. Okay. The language L equal to An, where n is a prime, it's a exceptional case. So it is neither a prime nor a CFL nor a CSL. So it is also not regular. Okay. It is also not regular, right? As we know that this is an exceptional case. Okay. The language L equal to W, and W has 3k plus 1 b's for some k belongs to n, but summation equal to a comma b is regular, where n equal to what? Natural number. Where n equal to what? Natural number. So it is saying W is a string in which number of v's is always what? Number of v's is always what? 3k plus 1. 3k plus 1, and k belongs to natural number. Okay. So if k equal to 1, then 3 plus 1, how many? 4 b's is there. 4 b's is there. So when we will divide this 4 with 3, okay, because every time we are multiplying k with 3, okay, so what is the remainder? Only one remainder is there. Only one remainder is there. So you can consider like this form: 1 mod 3. 1 mod 3. When we will divide any string, okay, then we will get is what? We will get remainder 1. We will get remainder 1. So this is a definitely regular. This is a regular. This is a regular. And what is the option D is saying? Why it is not regular? The language L equal to WW. W belongs to clean closure set of summation, but summation equal to 0 comma 1 is regular. No, because here is also a comparison between W and W. If we are writing a string W, if we have a string W equal to AB, then language contains what? AB, AB. So there is a comparison between AB, AB. There is a comparison between a string. So that's why it is also not a regular. So which one is a regular? Option C is a regular. So if you know the concept, then simply you can check which one is regular, which one is context free. Okay. Remember one thing is in your mind. Finite automata does not allow comparison between the elements because it does not have any memory element. Okay. So option C is correct. So you can see like this. You can see like this. Okay. So this is not regular just because of comparison between A and B. This is the exceptional case, neither regular nor context free nor not CSL. So also not regular. WW. Here this is also not regular because there is a comparison between string and string, W and WW. Okay. So what about this 3k plus 1 b's for some k belongs to n? Okay. So here it is a condition of 1 modulo 3. Okay. Is regular since it can be accepted by a mod 3 machine as shown below. You can construct a machine for 1 modulo 3. Okay. When any number is divisible by 3, then you have a finite automata for that. Okay. And divisible by 3, divisible by 2, divisible by 4, for all that we have a finite automata. So this is the condition of 1 modulo 3. Okay. So this is a regular. So option C is a regular. Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.